Hi guys, welcome to my channel. You are watching Trish Kitchen and I am Trisha. If you are new in my channel, please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Today I am going to share with you Paneer Yakhni Pulao's recipe. Paneer Yakhni Pulao is a very yummy recipe made with rice, paneer and lot of Indian spices that is full of essence and flavors. Enjoy this delicious Paneer Yakhni Pulao with a raita of your choice. Now let's see the ingredients. Basmati rice. Here I am using 4 cup of basmati rice. Paneer cut into big cubes. Garam masala powder, salt, chili powder, ginger garlic paste and yogurt. Peppercorn, cinnamon, green cardamom, black cardamom, cloves, bay leaves, chopped coriander leaves, keora water, sliced onion, and sugar. Soak the rice in water for half an hour. In a bowl, add yogurt, ginger garlic paste, mix well, garam masala, salt, chili powder, mix together. Add the paneer pieces. Mix together everything. Marinate the paneer pieces for half an hour. Boil the whole garam masala in water. Strain the water. Use double amount of water. I use 4 cup of rice and 8 cups of water. Heat oil in a pan and fry the paneer pieces. Once the paneer pieces are golden in color, keep aside. In the same oil, add sliced onions, fry the onions till it's golden brown in color. Onions are done now. Remove around 2 to 3 tablespoons of onion and keep aside. This 2 to 3 tablespoons of onion we are going to use at last. Add ginger garlic paste in the fried onions and saute it for 1 to 2 minutes. Add chili powder. Mix well. Add the rest of the paneer's masala. Saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. Add ghee. All the masalas are cooked nicely now. Add rice. Mix it well. Fry it nicely. Now add the yakhni water in the rice. It will give a very nice flavor to the pulao. Mix nicely. Add sugar. Mix well. Add the paneer pieces now. Add salt and cook it on medium heat till the water dries up. Cover with a lid. Open the lid and check. Our yakhni pulao is well cooked now. Add keora water and chopped coriander leaves. Add the fried onions. Our Yakhni Pulao is ready to serve now. Enjoy hot with your favorite raita. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.